If you want to engage your students by using a blog in class, a microblog, a really good one to use is the YoTeach app. Its web address is yoteachapp.com. And if you go there, what you'll see is it's going to look like this on the screen, and it'll ask you to create a title for your page. Make sure also that you would enable your admin features. That will give you some options that you're really going to like as a teacher. So I've already created one that we're going to use in just a second. And I'm going to log in because I have the admin privileges. And you'll notice that you have the options for search, transcript, log out, QR code, stats, word cloud, CSV file, vote mode, remove room, and clear room. Some of these don't really work too well, but the ones that you're going to want to pay attention to are transcript. So if you want a list of what your kids worked on later on, QR code, so as they're coming in, they don't actually have to type in the web address. They could just get their phone out or get their iPad out and use the scan feature. And the other one that I really like is the remove room and clear room. Remove room means it'll go away entirely. But clear room, so if you wanted the next day use that same web address, you'll be able to do that, just clear it out. So the way the microblog works is you post your message in the message box. So for example, I'm going to send this out to the class, and since I have a student ready to answer the question, this should be a lot of fun. So I'm just going to put in, what is your favorite college team? And it'll post out to the class. Now, I can also add an image, or I can draw in here, but we're just going to send that picture out, or send that quote out. Now, you'll notice that on the left-hand side of the screen, the picture, the question goes out to the class, so all of my students can see it. So they're typing their response, and what we do in class is we tell them, okay, go ahead and put your response in. And as you'll notice, Jamie saw that question and he put Michigan Wolverines football on the screen to respond. Now, this is a really good way to direct your class. So if you ask open-ended questions, all 25, 26 of your kids can respond instantaneously, and you'll get a really good feel for whether or not your kids understand everything. Now, as I said, since we have this admin privileges, what we could do is we could take a look at the transcript, and you can keep a list of what was actually said during class if you wanted to grade participation. The QR code is really cool because it allows you, when the kids come in, to just have that ready to go. So now, one other thing that's really nice about the YoTeach app is I can ask my students to go ahead and do a mathematical problem. So please show work for 2 plus 2. And then I'll put that out there. And then Jamie will have to go ahead and hit his draw feature, and then it's going to look like this. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. I don't really know if that's showing work or not, but what will happen is that will upload, and so I'll be able to see the work that we have done. So the 2 plus 2 is there, and we'll take it from there. Now, if I want to add an image, I simply go ahead and pick the image that I want to, and then I can post that up online. So if you're looking at a piece of art or a document or whatever, it will show up on the screen and be ready to rock and roll. So again, this is the YoTeach app. It allows the kids to all communicate, and then when you're done, you could just simply clear the room, and then everything will go away. All right, thank you very much.